Hey guys, it's Brooke, and in this video I will be showing you how to do the perfect eyebrows. First, I grab my primer. I just use any kind of face primer really. Then I take my brush and I apply it to my eyebrows, my eyelids, a little bit of my forehead. Just kind of rub it in. Brow gel in the shade Latte and my eyebrow brush. And I kind of just underline the bottom of my brows to start. It's kind of slanted. So kind of like diagonal lines, but just underline the bottom of the brows. And then next I draw on my tails. I draw my tails up a little higher than they are naturally, just because I like that look. I like giving myself more lid space to do my eyeshadow. And then from there I fill it in and just connect it. Really try to work on the arch. And then I take my spoolie, and the key to it is that you kind of want it to have like that ombre effect, kind of lighter in the end, darker at your tails. And then next I grab my concealer and I put some above my eyebrow and below my eyebrow as well. I just kind of outline them and helps clean them up. If you messed up at all, you can just cover it up with the concealer. It's pretty nice. And do the other eye, of course. And then next, I just kind of blend it up. Kind of expand it towards my forehead. You just blend it out onto the eyelid. Also blend that just in the opposite direction of your eyebrows. And then a little bit in the middle, of course. Next, I take my beauty blender and spray it down. I prefer to get mine wet. I just feel like it blends better, smooths everything out. It's just a more natural look, not as cakey. And then I just, blend the top with my sponge. Onto my forehead, in between the brows, of course. And I take my spoolie again and brush the brows. There you go. And here's the finished look with my full face of makeup.